bench by the lake. Rain or shine, summer or snow, bench by the lake. Rain or shine, summer or snow, he was there, always dressed in a pressed gray coat and holding a small, wrinkled photograph in his hand. The photo showed a woman with warm eyes and a crooked smile. Her name was Eleanor. They had met by that very lake nearly 50 years ago. She had been painting the water lilies, her brush moving in soft, careful strokes. He had been walking his dog. When his retriever knocked over her easel, she laughed instead of yelling. That laugh became the sound Thomas chased for the rest of his life. They married the next year, bought a small house with a blue door. Every Sunday they came to the lake, sat on that same bench and watched the world go by. They never had children, not because they didn't want them, but because life had other plans. Eleanor would say, "It's okay. The world gave me you." But one winter, Eleanor grew quiet. Her laugh faded. The doctor said it was her heart. For months, Thomas watched her grow smaller, paler, until one morning, she was just gone. Thomas didn't cry, not then. Not at the funeral. Not even when he walked back into the house, filled with her scent but empty of her presence. He simply folded the photo and went to the bench. He came back the next day, and the next. For 7 years, he sat in the same spot, watching the lake reflect the seasons. People came and went. Children grew taller. Couples changed. But Thomas stayed the same. Some people thought he was odd. Others pitied him. A few stopped to talk. He always smiled politely, but his eyes remained on the water. One autumn morning, the townsfolk noticed the bench was empty. The gray coat was gone. So was the man. But folded neatly on the bench was the photograph. On the back, in shaky handwriting, were the words, "I waited long enough. I'm going to find her smile. Oh, would you like music or imagery to go with it? Or maybe a version with more dialogue or inner thoughts?"